Hi, this is Silvia Colloca, and today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry loaded muffins. With muffins, the rules are really simple. What you need is 2 bowls because one is for the dry ingredients and one is for the wet ingredients. Now we've got about 2 cups of self-raising flour in here, and I'm going to add sugar. That's about 3/4 cup of custard sugar, a pinch of salt, which is always good in any dessert you are making. That's that for the dry ingredients. Let's go to the wet ingredients now. We are going to crack 2 eggs and we're just going to beat them up a bit. And we're going to add a little bit of cream, about 1/2 cup. And I know I should be using a measuring jug, but I'm Italian and I don't like using instruments of precision, but if you are that way inclined, please go ahead. And we are going to add a little splash of vanilla paste and some butter. I know there's cream and butter. This is going to be so incredibly delicious. About 90 grams of butter, which I'm going to melt ever so slightly, and I'm going to pop it in here. Now the secret here when adding hot butter to an egg mixture is to work really quickly because you don't want the egg to turn into a frittata. Now we've got our liquid component. All that's left to do is to add this to that in no particular fancy way and just mix it through. If it's a bit lumpy, the texture of the baked muffin will be even more delicious. At this point, we're going to add some of the berries, not all of them because I want to stud some of them on top. And I'm just lining my muffin tin with baking paper. You can use pretty muffin cases, whatever takes your fancy. Just a tablespoon will do the job. Let's pretty up our muffins with some ruby red jewels on top. And in the oven they go for about 20-25 minutes at 180. And here they are, these beautiful raspberry loaded muffins. They've cooled down just enough so that I can dust them with a little bit of icing sugar. I need to ask you a favor. Ozharvest needs your help. There are thousands of hungry Australians doing it really tough right now, and a little goes a long, long way. Just $1 will provide 2 meals. So please, if you can, donate.